Get ready to time travel back to the 90s with a twist. Introducing the Lamborghini Diablo Restomod, a reimagined masterpiece that combines the wild spirit of the original with the precision of modern engineering. With a price tag of £1.3 million, this isn't just a car, it's a rolling tribute to the decade of grunge, Game Boys, and glorious supercar access. Think of it as your favorite 90s mixtape, but instead of just listening to it, you get to drive it. And without any further delay, let's get started. First, let's talk about the look. The Lamborghini Diablo is crafted with an eye for detail that can only come from a deep love of Italian automotive culture. Emanuele Collini, a San Marino-based entrepreneur, Lamborghini collector, and racing driver, is the mastermind behind this beauty. The design, the work of Milanese agency Borromeo de Silva, takes cues from the Diablo GT and GTR, enhancing the car's stance and attitude. The front and rear tracks are wider, and the car features a more sculpted front end. Unique elements like the Diablo horns on the front wings, and the clever placement of the now illegal pop-up headlights with innovative pop-down lamps show a creative commitment to maintaining Diablo's character. The new headlamps even have a playful feature where the car winks at passers-by, adding a touch of personality rarely seen in the automotive world. Body panels are crafted from pre-impregnated carbon fiber, keeping the weight down while enhancing strength and performance. And let's not forget the wheels, styled after the original GTR's Speedline alloys, but reimagined for modern tastes. The entire car is a study of what's missing, or what designers call porosity, with every intake, scoop, and vent meticulously designed to improve airflow and cooling while giving the car a dynamic, aggressive look. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Diablo packs a powerful punch. The naturally aspirated 5.7-liter V12 engine, updated with modern components like new valve trains and camshafts, delivers nearly 550 brake horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. This is complemented by a bespoke Capristo exhaust system that provides the kind of visceral soundtrack only a V12 can deliver. The exposed engine bay, a signature of high-performance cars, showcases this mechanical marvel as a piece of automotive art, reminding us that internal combustion engines can be as visually stunning as they are powerful. The car's chassis, while based on the original Diablo's steel space frame, has been significantly upgraded with bonded carbon fiber reinforcements, improving stiffness and safety. Advanced features like a modern ECU, traction control, and Brembo brakes with 380mm discs at the front ensure the Lamborghini Diablo is not only faster and more powerful than the original, but also much more controllable. This means the car handles better than any Diablo ever did, living up to the promise of being the Diablo that could have and should have been. Inside, the Lamborghini Diablo mixes vintage charm with modern tech. The digital display has an 80s-inspired aesthetic, giving the cockpit a retro-futuristic vibe reminiscent of the classic TV shows and pop culture from that era. The open-gate gear lever and toggle switches add a tactile element that any modern cars lack, while a unique feature is the rear-view mirror, which doubles as a screen for Apple CarPlay and a rear-view camera. Driving the Lamborghini Diablo is an experience. However, as with the original, it's not for everyone. The driving position is pure Italian, with a snug fit and steeply angled steering wheel, and a pedal box that might feel cramped to taller drivers. But these quirks are part of the car's charm, a nod to its heritage that's sure to appeal to die-hard fans of the original Diablo. Priced at €1.35 million plus local taxes and the cost of a donor car, the Lamborghini Diablo is a luxury few can afford, yet with only 19 units planned for production, exclusivity is guaranteed. For those who crave the visceral, raw experience of a classic Lamborghini, but with the reliability and safety of modern engineering, the Lamborghini Diablo is more than just a car. It's a dream realized with passion, humor, and incredible craftsmanship. This is the Diablo that enthusiasts have been waiting for, a fitting tribute to one of the most iconic supercars of all time. So, what did you think of this wild reimagining of a 90s icon? Is the Lamborghini Diablo Restomod a dream ride you'd love to take for a spin? Or is it just a blast from the past that's a bit too wild for your taste? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this ride down memory lane, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the coolest cars and craziest restorations. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast.